Oh, are you giving Herbie hugs? They're so nice. Pet his belly. Come pet Herbie's belly. Make him wag his tail when you pet his belly. Give him a big hug. Oh, that's so nice. He's giving you kisses. Can you give Herbie an Eskimo kiss? Boom. Can you give Herbie an Eskimo kiss? You did it. Do it again. Give Herbie another Eskimo kiss. Is Herbie your buddy? He's giving you kisses. He's gonna get you. Can you give Herbie another Eskimo kiss? You gotta be nice. Oh, now he's up. You gonna crawl around like a doggy? You say woof woof. How old are you? Good job.